Senator Lacson is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. With a heavy heart and much hesitation, I am voting against the ratification of the Bicameral Conference Committee report on the 2017 national budget. I do so for various reasons, the most compelling of which is the continuing presence of pork barrel allocations in the 2017 General Appropriations Bill yet to be enrolled for the President's approval. Save for the 3.6 billion pesos that still remains in the DPWH budget and divided among the 8 legislative districts of the Autonomous Region of Muslim Mindanao, after we transferred the 8.3 billion to the SUCs, I need not provide the details of the other pork allocations. Suffice it to say, Mr. President, I know pork when I see it, when I hear about it, even when I smell it. In the lounge, right here in my office or right in my office, and elsewhere, during informal discussions and casual conversations with some of our colleagues and congressmen even. Please rest be assured, I do not intend to be indifferent or be different, nor am I being contumacious in this regard. Having said that, I have long been unflinching in this fight, advocacy if you will, against pork in the budget since I earned the title, the Honorable Senator from Cavite and the Republic of the Philippines. There's no saying here, Mr. President, that I am not grateful to the chairperson of the Finance Committee, Senator Legarda, not only for adopting most, if not all, of my institutional amendments, but for standing firm on those amendments as if it were her own during the bicameral discussions with the House panel. I wish to thank her for the additional 770 million chalk allowance for the more than 700,000 public school teachers. It may look big, Mr. President, but this amount translates to a mere 83 pesos per teacher per day in additional chalk allowance. The 303 million pesos added to the CHR's budget, 686 million to PIDEA, 545 million pesos to the airlift capability of the PNP, 2.8 billion pesos to the DND AFP, to mention some of them. Lastly, this early, I'm begging the chairman of the Finance Committee's indulgence and our distinguished colleagues that come October or at the onset of the fourth quarter of 2017, I will be as persistent and passionately engaged in the scrutiny of the 2018 General Appropriations Bill once the same is transmitted to this chamber for deliberation. If I may reiterate, I vote no to the ratification of the BICAM report. Thank you, Mr. President.